Year 1985, direct flushing type. Year 1990, siphon original water backwash single wiper cleaning. Year 2013, generation integrated sewage discharge technology. Year 2014, fourth generation full efficiency sewage discharge technology. Year 2016, fifth generation purified water whirl backwash. Year 2017, sixth generation high pressure backwash spray technology. Year 2017, sixth generation high pressure backwash spray technology. Round design, simple and generous. Luxury dust cover design, champagne gold and peacock green, heavy color, extremely material and line feeling. It is equipped with a luxury pressure gauge to visually display the water pressure. It is high-end atmospheric, modular overall design. The accessories are all high-quality consumables in the industry and have been tested by many authorities. It is safe and worry-free. Copperhead patented technology. The copperhead is made of high-quality national standard environmental protection copper, integrally forged and formed, and the surface of the copperhead is sprayed to prevent corrosion and oxidation of the copperhead in the humid environment. The built-in lead isolation process can completely isolate heavy metals and ensure water safety. The optimized flow channel is designed to achieve a purified water flow of tons per hour, which can fully meet the domestic water demand. Patent technology of the seventh generation of rapid cleaning reverse spray washing. Through hydraulic drive, the reverse spray mode is started. The filter element is built with a 360-degree high-pressure rotary spray system, using the working principle of the high-pressure water gun. The filter mesh is sprayed from inside to outside at high speed through multiple nozzles. At the same time, the 360-degree automatic rotary spray without dead angle completely removes the embedded impurities in the filter mesh hole. 40-micron stainless steel 316L high precision flat woven mesh process. Stainless steel filter element adopts the integrated plastic wrapping process to avoid the impact of wire shedding on the impurities block and dirt removing. The double-sided three-dimensional magic scraper technology adopts the wiper type decontamination technology and two-way scraping, which can completely remove the colloidal impurities attached to the surface of the filter mesh. Baby milk bottle grade filter bottle. The filter bottle is made of milk bottle grade, imported materials, free of bisphenol A, and is made of brisk modified formula, which can withstand the freezing test at the pressure limit of below 30 degrees. The bursting pressure is more than 80 kg, the water drop is 12 kg, and 150,000 tests are conducted, and the safety is safe. 360-degree universal installation technology, flexible connection of pipes, effectively solving the difficulty of installation in the house. The water contact materials of this series of products have been tested by SGS, NSF and other international authorities, and passed the test of the National Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and obtained the health license. With our high-quality products, leading technology and attentive service, we have been recognized and trusted by thousands of customers. For water pre-filter, of course, choose Zhubei.